Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Identify the positions of number 2 relative to Br, the leaving group, in each compound. Compound 1, 1 number 2 ortho to Br 1 ortho activating group. Compound 2, 2 number 2 groups both meta to Br only inductive effect, no resonance stabilization of Mesenheimer complex. Compound 3, 3 number 2 groups at ortho, times 2, and para, times 1, to Br maximum resonance stabilization, to ortho plus 1 para. Compound 4, 2 number 2 groups, 1 ortho and 1 para to Br to resonance stabilizing groups. Moving on to the next step. Rank by number and position of activating EWGs for SNAR. Compound 3 has the most EWGs in ortho-para positions. 2 ortho plus 1 para is equal to 3 total, all resonance active, fastest. Compound 4 has 2 EWGs in ortho-para positions. 1 ortho plus 1 para, second fastest. Compound 1 has 1 EWG in ortho position third. Compound 2 has 2 EWGs but both meta only inductive stabilization, weakest activation slowest. Moving on to the next step. 3, 4, 1, 2. And for the final step. A. 3, 4, 1, 2. B. 3, 4, 2, 1 incorrect, places metadinitro above monoorthonitro. C. 2, 1, 4, 3, completely reversed. D. 4, 3, 2, 1 incorrect ordering. Therefore, the correct answer is A. Therefore, the correct answer is option A.